Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey, today's video, Brazilian wax pain truth revealed. First time? You're probably nervous, and that's totally normal. Let's break it down. What exactly is a Brazilian wax? It removes all pubic hair, front, back, everything gone. Esthetician applying hot wax to client's bikini area, tasteful angle. Pain level? Depends on skin sensitivity and hair thickness. First time hurts most, your body isn't used to it. But here's the good news, it gets easier every time. Breathe deeply, relax muscles, it helps reduce the stinging sensation. Professional estheticians are fast, minimizing discomfort during each pull. Pain usually lasts just seconds, sharp but short-lived. Inner thighs and labia, yes, those areas hurt the most. Butt strip? Surprisingly, many say it barely hurts at all. Your esthetician may press the skin, this helps reduce pain. Pain tolerance varies, some say manageable, others scream internally. Prepping helps, exfoliate, hydrate, and avoid caffeine before waxing. Aftercare matters, redness and bumps are normal but temporary. Avoid tight clothes and hot showers after waxing, trust me. Schedule waxes every 4 weeks, hair grows softer over time. Can't handle it? Try sugaring or trimming instead. So, how painful is it really? Pretty tolerable, honestly. Everyone's pain threshold is different, don't compare your experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Click the link in description for more details.